everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to design a t-shirt in a mock-up in which I will design on this KICT Virtual Run 2021. Let's create an event, our own event, right? So okay, this is my reference which I've designed before, so I think we will just going to follow this throughout the tutorial. So as you can see here, we already have the mockup version in which I will provide in the description below, so you just need to download it and open it in your Photoshop. Okay, so yeah, as you can see here in the layer part, we have front design layer and also back design. So these are the layers that we are going to design. Yeah, so just double click on this front design, click on this, okay, double click. So we are going to design in this area. Okay, so I'm just gonna drag it here too. Okay, so let's get started. We are going to start with this typography, KICT Virtual Run. So just click, I'm sorry, we can full screen it. Okay, so we can click on this type tool, okay, type tool, and then click it here once, and then type your own KICT Virtual. Okay, KICT Virtual, place it at the center. Change it the color to white or whatever color that you think suits better, and then run. So I'm just gonna duplicate it by hold the key of alternate while drag this down. Okay, and then double click on this and type run, and then I want to resize it, so just hold the alternate key while resize it. Okay, okay, as you can see, I have 2021, so I'm just gonna make it a little bit smaller so I can fit the 2021. Okay, then duplicate this again, type in 2021. Okay, and then I'm going to resize it. Alright, now I'm going to change this one to lemon milk. So this one is popping semi bold, while the run I want to change it to lemon milk. Lemon milk bold. Still need to resize it. Okay, next I will change the color of run to yellow color. So I'm just gonna drop eye drop it to my color that I chose. So maybe perhaps you want to change your own colors, you may do it so. Okay, so now I'm going to group all this font by clicking shift, well, click on the layer and then Control G or Command G. Okay, so you have this one group. Okay, now as you can see here, I made it a little bit like and I changed the angle. So how can we do that? You just need to hold the key of Control or Command. Command. So you just need to drag it, okay, to change the angle. So okay. Alright, next what are we going to do is that we already have the upper part. Now we are going to insert this a man running. So this tool I've included in the description where you can get it in the asset folder. So when you have downloaded it, you just need to drag in into your Photoshop. Okay, don't forget to click OK to place it, and then now you just need to resize it. And change the color, right? So how can you change the color? Now I'm going to teach you a new skill. If you have actually just learned about this too, so yeah. So as you can see here, this is a one layer. So we need to go to this selection layer, okay, selection tool, and then pick this and just do this. Okay, so as you can see here, it selects on the man shape, and then go to this, click on this folder, create a new group, okay, and then go to this create a layer mask. Okay, and then what are we going to do is that we are going to click on this layer and then go to this create new fill or adjustment layer, go to this solid color, okay, and then you just need to select the color that you would like to change. So as for me, I will choose this yellow color and then click OK. So now I don't want to have it like a solid color. I want it to be like there's a texture on it, right? Before, so go to this, select on this layer and then change it to color. See, it changes following the color, and also does not change the texture in it, right? So just click on this color. Okay, now I would like to adjust the hue. So go to this adjustment and then create this level. Okay, create this level, and then this one, place it above. I'm sorry, just let it be. Okay, so this one I just need to control this, adjust it into the color that I want. I'm not sure. Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah, we just need to change this to the bottom part and the solid color at the upper part. So yeah, I'm just going to adjust this. Okay, and then we can close this layer. Okay, now after we have done with it, we are going to add this shape. Okay, and we're going to use the pen tool. So search for the pen tool here, and then we just need to create a point to another point. So just click here, sorry, just click here again, and then to this point, and then to this point, to this point. Okay, once you have done with once you cut this shape, and then go to this add a new fill. Okay, click on this, click on it, and then click on this solid color. Okay, and then I'm going to choose this yellow color, or maybe you can choose other color that you like here. Okay, and then I'm going to duplicate this, so you can simply drag this to create a new layer, or you can just click alt, hold the key of alternate while drag it out. Okay, so edit, transform, horizontal. Okay, and then just place it at the right place. Okay, and then we are going to change the background color. So go to this part where you can see this solid color over here, so just double click on it and you can change to your own color. Okay, so I will go with this blue color, and then just click OK. Now I can delete this. Wait, oh yeah, I'm sorry, we should add a texture. So if we want to add a texture or any background shapes that you would like to add, so we just need to drag into this area. Okay, as you can see, I'll provide this image in the asset folder in the description, so you can download it too. Okay, so yeah, this image over here, I'm going to place it right above the solid color for the background. Okay, and then I'm going to go to this part where you can choose. I'm going to go with this lighten. Okay, and then I want to lower the opacity so that it will not be so obvious, as I want the attention more on this KICT Virtual Run 2021. So I'm just going to play around with this opacity. Yeah, and then I just need to resize it. Okay. Now I can delete this reference. Okay, so as I've got this design, so I just need to save this. Okay, Control S or Command S, you need to save it. Okay, you need to save it first, then only this part will be changed into the design that you have made. See, okay, but it's a bit too above, right? So I might need to lower it down. Okay. And then don't forget to save again, and you can see the difference over here. Yeah, and then how are we going to change this part on the hand part? Okay, go to this t-shirt front over here, and then open the layer. As you can see, you can adjust if you don't want this shiny effect, or maybe you don't want this, I don't know. You can try to see, okay, this t-shirt, the effect that they have applied in this mockup. So, or maybe you can just let it be, and then go to this design lengan, okay, double click on it and choose the color, okay, that you want. As for me, I will choose this yellow color, okay, and then click OK. Also, as for this, where is the color part? Okay, go to this color, and you can also change the color that you wish for. And then, where is it? Okay, to this t-shirt base color. As you can see, this black color, I want to change it to blue. So just double click on it and choose your preference color and click OK. So we are done with the front design. So next we're going to move to the back design over here. So you can close this tab, and then you can double click on this back design over here. So double click on this part, double click. So yeah, this is the area to design the back part. Okay, so I'm just going to add my reference over here, and we're going to do it together. Okay, now what we have here, we have this 10km finisher. So what are we going to do with that is that go to this type tool, and then click it here, and then type in 10km. Okay, and also duplicate it and write and finisher. Okay, so I'm going to rotate this. Just click Control or Command, and then rotate it. Oops. To 90 degree. Is it correct? I'm sorry. Wait. I'm sorry, not Control. It's supposed to be Shift. Okay, Shift. Hold the Shift key while rotate it. Okay, I'm sorry for my mistakes. Okay, so after we have rotated, then click on this right icon over here. Okay, and then you can resize it while holding the alternate key. Okay, and then adjust it to the center. Alright, now I want the finisher to have like a little bit space in between the characters. So go to this and then adjust it. Okay, and then I'm going to make it a little bit far away from this 10km. And then, okay, or maybe we can resize it. Okay, resize it just slightly bigger, place it at the center. Okay, done. Okay, and as you can see here, I add this a rectangle shape to this 10km. So go to this rectangle tool over here, and then just create a rectangle. Okay, and then I'm going to place it behind the layer of 10 kilometer and change the color to the color that I wish to use is yellow. So you can sorry, double click on it and then only you can choose the color. Okay, so I'm going to change this rectangle color to the color that I wish to use as the background. So double click on it and change to the color that you want. Okay, and then I'm going to adjust it here a little bit. Okay, just a little bit smaller. Okay, and then add this one tiny rectangle at the end of this finisher. Okay, and change the color. And I would like to add some background at the background shape, so I just need to drag it inside this artboard and then adjust it to this lighten and then change the opacity 18 and then resize it. And then click on this right icon, and then maybe I can resize it. Okay, so I can remove my reference over here. Okay, now go save it first. Okay, so Control S or Command S. Ta-da! Okay, but as you can see it's a bit above, so I can adjust it if I want, or if you want. Okay, alright, now what else? Okay, so you can see the color, right? I want to change the hand color at the back design. So this one, open the layer and then okay, I will change the color first. Okay, where is the lengan thing? Okay, this part, I think so. No, wait, color, inner color. Just click on this and change the color. I'm going to choose yellow. Okay, how about this? Okay, this thing. Okay, this thing I'm just gonna unsee it. So remove the eye. Okay. And then what else? Are we finished? Yeah, we are finished. Okay, but wait, I think I'm just gonna remove this. As you can see, it's a bit texture, right? Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to remove it. Okay, I want the shiny effect. Yeah, I think this one, this layer. Okay, just going to unsee this. Okay, and then close the layer, go to this back layer, open the layer, and then go to this, I think this layer. Yeah, unsee it. Okay, we can also change the background. Okay, this one, unlock it. Okay, and then open the layer, and then unsee this. I want my background layer to be in this gray color. Okay, and then I'm gonna remove my reference over here. Okay, and then I might just need to add a background, just a little bit of background. Okay, I'm going to resize it. And then change the effect over here. I might go to lighten and lower down the opacity. Yes, we are finished, guys. I hope you liked this tutorial and made this tutorial be beneficial to you to design for your events or anything. Okay, so that's all, guys. If you have like any questions or any feedbacks for me to improvise my tutorial, you just need to leave your comments down below. Okay, that's all, guys. Thank you and assalamualaikum.